Hey guys, welcome to the 1 minute review. If you ever looking for a hose or a garden hose, this Lefree garden hose is fantastic. I've had it for about a year now. I just wanted to make an updated video and talk to you a little bit about it again. What it is, it's a rubber hose or a material that actually holds water, expands and contracts as needed. It's absolutely, I love it. You can see here how it just comes right out of the hose here. Nice. It comes with this nozzle with multiple spray things, spray attachments. You shut the water off. Let me just show you this real quick here. Let me turn this on. Let me just show you something. So when you turn it on, it all expands and you get full pressure out of this hose. You can just see the hose moving. You can adjust the nozzle, the different features. You get full, flat, shower. Here's the shower version here, which is kind of cool. Let's show you that real quick. Sorry, I do it with one hand. Sorry about that. Here's the shower. So you can see it has all different options. What's cool about it is that when you're done, when you shut it off, shut the water off, and what happens is when you drain the water, the hose will basically decompress, pushing all the water out of the hose to make it super light. That way you can put it away. It's draining it. You can see it's shrinking. You can see how it's all shrinking, and it shrinks down and empty the water out, and then you can go ahead and put it away. When you turn it on, it expands again, and I love that feature. It's a really cool feature. Let me show you one more time. I'll turn the water on. You'll see it expanding. See how it all expands? It's actually growing. You can see that. And then when you're done, like the season's coming to an end here, so we're going to shut it off, and I'm going to drain it. It automatically drains, and we're going to put it away. Again, let it drain. It shrinks automatically. You can see it's shrinking. And again, I've had this maybe almost 2 years now. This is a year and a half to 2 years. It sits in the sun all day, never a problem. Just drains itself. That is super awesome, self-draining. So that's what it is, the Lefree hose. Comes with an on-off valve here. You can shut this off and on. If you want to disconnect this nozzle, you can shut this off, and you can change that and keep the pressure on if you want to. That way, if you want to do something else. That's what I have for you today. There'll be a link down below in the description right here. There'll be a video, a link over here for the product. I definitely highly recommend this. If you're looking for a hose that's lightweight, flexible, easy to use, and easy to store, this is the one for you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.